If you're in the market for a new tire pressure gauge, you need to ask yourself the following questions. What type of racing are you doing? What pressure range are you working with? And are you leaning towards digital or mechanical? Longacre has 3 different styles of digital tire pressure gauges. Our basic, our semi-pro, and our pro. On the basic style, it has just a digital display, has 1 bleeder button, and has an accuracy of 0.8% throughout a scale. On the SemiPro, it has a backlight with a digital display, 1 bleeder button, and its accuracy is 0.5% throughout a scale. On the Pro, has a larger display with a backlight, has 2 bleeder buttons to allow you to bleed tires off faster between test sessions, comes with a carrying case, and is accurate to within 0.3% of its entire scale. Traditional liquid filled gauges are available. Liquid helps dampen the blast of air as it goes into the gauge. Alternatively, all of our non-liquid filled analog gauges have the same dampening system built in. Longacre has 4 different styles of analog tire pressure gauges. A 2-inch, 2.5, 3.5, and 4.5 inch gauge. The user's accuracy improves as you go up in the size of the gauge. The benefits of our 3.5 and 4.5 inch gauge are they have 2 bleed buttons to allow you to bleed tire pressures down quicker between test sessions, and they both come with a hard carrying case. For more information on this or any of our other products, visit us at longacreracing.com.